Hi, my name is Brad Baker. I'm an estate planning attorney in Hermosa Beach, and I tell my clients that my real purpose is to create an ease of administration plan. Everything we do is just trying to keep our client out of court, minimize attorney's fees, and have everyone be empowered to designate trusted people to take care of things if you're incapacitated and or die. The traditional document we all use is a thing called a living trust. And I tell my clients, living trust is just a will substitute. It does the same thing a will does, it just doesn't need to be probated. People have heard the concept of probate. Everyone has a little bit different idea of what probate is. I like to tell my clients, probate is just a superior court action to wind up a dead person's affairs. And it takes about a year and usually tens of thousands of dollars. And how tough is it to wind up a dead person's affairs in most circumstances? You pay their bills, you file their last tax return, you're done. Why should this take months and months and months and tens of thousands of dollars? So staying away from probate in California is something that most of my clients prefer to do. Now, when you have a living trust, you're also going to have a will, but the will serves a different purpose. I tell my clients it's a post-mortem safety net. When you have a trust, you're only halfway home. You've got to put stuff into the trust. If you aren't successful in putting stuff in the trust, you might end up with a probate. And the will is called a pour-over will. It gathers up all of the mistakes, and after the year-long probate, it pours those assets over into the trust. So your trust is going to be your one document that disposes of your assets. We have an additional document that very few attorneys use. I call it the lifetime cleanup document. This is a document that gathers up all of your mistakes before you die and empowers people to sign your name for the sole purpose of funding your trust. When you're on your deathbed and we discover the 50 acres in Montana that you inherited from Uncle Butch, and it's not in the trust, and you're not able to sign to put it in the trust, you're going to empower some people to sign your name for that sole purpose. Very safe document. It's very valuable. The last document we use is a durable power of attorney for health care. We're going to designate some people to make medical decisions for you if you're not capable. And we also throw in a little bit of asset management into this document because we've discovered there are certain things that trustees just can't do. For instance, just signing your tax return at the end of the year if you're incapacitated. The trustee can sign a trust tax return, but not your individual tax return. So wherever we find a gap, we try to fill it, either in the trust or in the durable power of attorney. Once again, all we're trying to achieve here is you put trusted people in power holder positions to make things work if you become incapacitated and or die. 4 documents: living trust, pour-over will, durable special power of attorney, that's the lifetime cleanup document, and a durable power of attorney for healthcare with a little bit of asset management. Works wonders.